Since its establishment in 2008, AICKSN Technology has been a trusted name in the water treatment industry, dedicated to enhancing the water environment and providing cutting-edge solutions for commercial, residential, and industrial applications. AICKSN's team of experts take into account factors such as chlorine levels, iron content, and TDS when providing solutions, and utilize advanced test tools to ensure accurate and reliable results. This personalized approach enables us to design and recommend the most effective and efficient water treatment solution for our clients. AICKSN understands the critical importance of delivering water treatment systems that meet the highest industry standards. Strictly adhering to ISO standards for production and inspection, our stringent quality control measures ensure the durability, efficiency, and reliability of our solutions. AICKSN Technology prides itself on customer-centric approach. We work closely with our clients, offering tailored solutions to meet their unique needs. We believe in building long-term relationships with our customers, providing comprehensive support throughout the entire process, from consultation to installation and after-sales service. With a decade of experience and a focus on customized solutions, advanced sample testing, and stringent quality control, AICKSN Technology has emerged as a trusted partner in the water treatment industry. Our commitment to delivering high-performance water filtration systems for commercial, residential, and industrial applications is unwavering. AICKSN Technology is your reliable partner to ensure the purity and safety of every drop of water.